how to send crypto on crypto.com. If you want to send crypto on crypto.com, it is very simple to do so. Basically, all you have to do is simply open up the crypto.com application and simply go to the transfers tab over there. Once you go to the transfers tab, here you can see two options called deposit or withdraw. But since we're trying to send crypto on crypto.com, we will select the option called withdraw. And when we go to withdraw, on the next page you have a couple of options. So in this pop-up, you can actually send a crypto to a crypto.com user if you want to, or you can send it to crypto.com exchange, or you can send it to an external wallet like Binance, Coinbase, or other wallet. But you need to have the wallet address, so you need to paste the wallet address and send it. So depending upon which one you want, you can simply go ahead and then select any options from here, and you'll be able to send crypto on crypto.com. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.